And what we're doing is we're going to be peeling up the, taking the top of the film off with the tape. Alright, we're about ready to lay the film down in the water. Now this is where the relief cuts are. That way we don't see no bubbles or anything. Now your film's going to relax. It's going to, do all kinds of weird stuff, curling up and everything else. Then the film just going to relax and it's going to be glass. It's going to look very, very clear. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't you dare subscribe or hit that like button.